hands aren't pushing too hard together. They are together, and there you feel the tips, the trigger points here, and the thumbs and the palms. And the hands are in the front of your chest. And just like in reflexology, your feet have pressure points, so do your fingers. Like, this is the head, these are the arms, these are the legs, this is the body. So really what you're doing is you're putting your male, female, moon, sun and moon together, kind of like the microcosm, in front of your heart center. And here at the thymus, we are going to start to build some energy that you can then use here, placing your hands above your chest, here, maybe here. This is a nice one because this is the thyroid, if you have thyroid problems, or here and here, or here. So let's do that. Let's do this, finishing off with this meditation. And place the thumbs in front of the sternum so it's not too high up, right? I'll show you. It's not too high up, it's here, in front of the chest. So the arms are just slightly angled. Actually, let me tilt this a little. I think that'll be easier. Yay. Yay. And we're not pressing in, and we're not locking joints. We're just pressing the hands together, but not forcefully. I want you to close your eyes and start to become aware of the hands touching each other and this force of energy between both of your hands. It's starting to radiate. And as you feel that energy in your hands starting to build, I want you to move that energy from your hands through your wrists, expanding it to your forearms, turning at the elbow through the tricep and the bicep, just above the heart. Filling that area up. And as it builds in the heart center, I want you to feel that energy starting to radiate in a beautiful, luminous blue color. A healing color. That starts to expand through your shoulders, down through the biceps and triceps, turning at the elbow, through the forearm and into the hands. Visualizing that very thin blue radiant energy emanating from the tips of your fingers, the sides of the fingers, from the center of the palm. And as that energy starts to build, it starts to build into a violet color. And it starts to build through the wrists, into the forearms, turning at the elbows, through the bicep and tricep, and that violent, radiant energy into the heart, and the upper heart region, to the thymus. Really feeling that violet energy expanding, paralyzing. Like a luminous spectrum. Building through the heart, up through the throat, down through the digestive system and into the belly, and up into the head, expanding through the bicep and tricep, up the forearm and into the hands, this luminous spectrum of colours, like a opal. And feel that energy going through your whole body, down through your back, through your hips, through your thighs, through the knees, down through the calves and into your feet, grounding you to the earth. Feeling that energy like a fountain coming through your crown chakra, overspilling to those around you, to friends, to family, to your community, to neighbours, to your pets, to your children, partners. And then you can take your hands apart and place them in an area in your body that you feel you want to be sending energy to, whether that's your shoulder or your throat, or maybe your thyroid and your thymus, maybe it's your head. Maybe sit for a minute, or just maybe sit with your hands open on your thighs and send that energy out into the world. To people who need a little bit more of what you are emanating in excess of. Thank you so much